to your channel Pretty Little Things. I'm Akriti.
And I'm Shaurya.
And Shaurya, what are we doing today?
So today we'll be unboxing 4 new fragrances from the House of Yardley from their new Eau de Cologne collection. So these are the 4 new fragrances that we've received.
They're only ₹4.99, so we don't have to think twice before using a perfume. So let's start with the first box here. This one is called Morning Dew, and the bottle seems to have like a really pretty purple gradient, and it's made of glass. I'm sure it has a very nice grip. I love the bottle. Yep, it's made of glass and it has a really nice grip. It's got this really nice golden logo on it, which really stands out. So we haven't tried it yet, but the bottle says that it has a top note of mandarin and freesia, then it has a heart note of rose and a base note of musk and sandalwood. So let me just simplify that for you. Perfume always has 3 notes: the top note, the heart note and the base note. And the first impression of any perfume that you get is the top note, which does not last too long. The heart note is the next note that you smell, and that lasts for about an hour or 2. But the smell that lasts the longest is the base note. So basically what a person smells the first is the top note, and what a person smells after 7 to 8 hours of applying a perfume is the base note. Okay, now let's take a whiff of this. It came on me. Personally speaking, I think this scent is just perfect to give you a fresh start to your day. And it's very pleasant and it's really refreshing. Also, I think it's just perfect for people to use it in humid and hot cities like Pune and Mumbai. The next one here is Country Breeze. Now this one is a pretty blue bottle and it looks really pretty sitting on your vanity with the similar lines of blue gradient and golden logo. So this one has a top note of mandarin and bergamot, the heart note of jasmine and freesia and the base note of musk. Now let's smell this one. I think we both are going to love this one because it's floral, and what I like about this is the layering of notes. It's not way too floral, it's not way too musky, and because the base note is musk, this one will last you for hours, so that's without a doubt. The next one has to be my favorite because it's pink! This one is called London Mist, and of course it has this really pretty pink gradient. It's a glass bottle, it has a golden logo, looks really pretty, and I think this will look superb sitting on my vanity. And let's see what it's made of. The top note is of melon and peach, heart note is of cyclamen and orchid, and the base note is of cinnamon and cedarwood. So let's unbox this one. Wait, you sprayed for the last time. I'll spray somewhere else. Oh, this is nice and fruity.
It's fruity and it's floral too.
Yeah, it is.
I like fruity, she likes floral. I think it's a mix.
Yeah, so I think this basically has like an initial mix of very fruity fragrance, and then it has an added note of floral fragrance, and then at the base note you can definitely smell cinnamon and cedarwood. It's basically a very feminine fragrance and I absolutely love it. So the next one here is called Autumn Bloom. Now the thing with perfumes is that it's always the more the better, because you can't stick to one. You would always have that one favorite, but you need a variety of perfumes. It all depends on your mood. So this one is a pretty orange bottle. Now let's just unbox this one for you guys. What does it have? Oh, 1 second. So this one has a top note of apple and bergamot again, and a heart note of rose and apple blossom, the base note of sandalwood and amber. Smell this one.
It came on.
You smell apple. Oh nice, it's a very nice sweet mix of apple, rose and sandalwood to it. Like on the first whiff, it smells really sweet, which is like a win-win for me. And it definitely smells really fresh. So I think something like this would be perfect for Indian weather, because you'd obviously feel fresh throughout the day. And the base note is of sandalwood, so again it's very soothing and that will last the longest. So this one is a mix of sweet floral and also a mix of sandalwood to it. I really like how this one has a very oriental touch to it, and I love the fact that all of these 4 different fragrances are very different from each other, so you have something for everybody.
The other great part is that it's a 100 ml bottle, so you can easily carry it around while traveling. Make sure that you lock in the cap really well, otherwise your perfume will just leak. So yeah, I think it's pretty travel friendly as well.
Okay, so this is a first impression about these 4 fragrances from the House of Yardley, and we are doing a giveaway. So 2 of you girls can win 2 perfumes each from the collection. All you have to do is check out the description box below and follow the rules.
Really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to
Like and subscribe to our channel,
Pretty Little Things. Bye guys!